Good morning, nerd. You think you were coming out to U.S. auctions today? Got all kinds of lineup here for you, all nice. We're going to be at 09 F550 Super Duty service truck now. It is going to be a 92,000 mile 09 4x4 F550. Here we go. They're going to be down here. Here you go. 5,000 on my truck. $5,000. 5. Yes. They're going to be 5. 250. 5 here. They're going to be 2.5. 5. 250. 5. 55. 7.5. 55. 57. 56,000. 6. 6. 250. 65. 5. 750. 7,000. Joel. 7. 7. 2.5. 75, 77.5. Internet's out, 77.5. Internet's your out, 75, 8,000. They're going to be 8, 250, 8250. Internet, 85, 80, yes, 85, 7.5, 85, 87.5. 85, $9,000, 9, 250, 92, 55. Internet's in, 92, 5, 7.5. Internet's in, $10,000. They're going to be 10, 250, 10, 250. Internet, 10, 5. Internet's in, 10, 255, 7.5, 11, nope, $11,000. They're going to be 250. They're going to be 11, 255. Internet's out, or I'm sorry, internet's in, 5, 7.5, 12. 12. They're going to be 11, 7.5, 12. Anybody else? 11, 750. They're going to be 12, 250. They're going to be 12, 5. They're going to be 250, 5, 5 here, 250 down, 5, 12, 5. Anybody else? 12, 50. They're going to be 12, 2, 5, 7.5, 12, 5, 750. 12, 5, 750, 13,000. They're going to be 13. They're going to be 12, 7.5 here. They're going to be 13,000. So 12, 7.5 right there. Okay, here we go. They're going to be 20. We're going to be number 20. Going to be an 08 450 service duty truck out here. It's a super duty service truck with a crane. They're going to be down here. This is a 90,000 mile truck. Here we go. They're going to be 10,000. 10. They're going to be 10 here. They're going to be 10 here. 9, 250. 9, how do you 250? $9,000. How do you 250? 5, how do you 5? They're going to be 97.5. 95, how do you 750? They're going to be down 10. They're going to be 10, 250. Jose, 10, 250. 5. They're going to be 10, 5. 10, 255, 7.5. 10, 5 here. They're going to be 7.5. Jose, you're out. 10, 5. They're going to be 750. 10, 5, 5 here. They're going to be 10, 5, 5 here. 7.5. Joel's on. So 10.5. We're going to be 2007 F550 Super Duty service truck with a crane.
You might switch to a 3/4 ton truck.
Here we go. They're going to be down here. This has got 43,000 miles on this truck and a power stroke diesel. How much? They're going to be 15,000. This is not a side crane. This is mounted right behind the cab. Okay, here we go. They're going to be 15,000. 15. They're going to be down here. 10, 250. They're going to be 10,000. 250. They're going to be 10, Jose. They're going to be down 5. They're going to be 10, 250. 5, Joel 5 here. He's out. 10, 5. 10, 5, 7.5. 10, 5 on the internet. 5, 7.5. 11. They're going to be 11 here. They're going to be 11. 250. Internet's on. 11,000. 255. 11, 5. Internet. 11, 5, 7.5. 11, 5, 11, 750. They're going to be 5 here. They're going to be 5 here. They're going to be 12. They're going to be 12,000. They're going to be 12. Jose, you're out. 12, 250. 12 online. 12, 2.